Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you read the title, yes, iMovie has green screen now. Let's get this show on the road. So I already have a video. I'm just gonna click edit and go to the plus button at the top to give you the option to add something. You go to albums and wherever you might have your green screen stored, and then you click on the green screen. You see where it has those three dots? It gives you options. So many options that they didn't have before, and I'm super excited to learn how to use them. One of those options is green screen. So you click green screen to add this green screen. iMovie honestly automatically detects the green screen, but just in case it doesn't, there's an option at the top that it gives you to adjust the strength of the green screen. You can kind of play around with it or whatever, but overall, iMovie detects it and it shows up really, really good. This is me playing around with it, but it really didn't make much of a difference because it cleared the whole green screen out. This is, it cuts out like the areas or whatever. I'm still trying to figure out how to move the green screen on the screen to make it smaller, but I'll save the video for another day. Overall, as you can see, it works really great. It'll pop up, you know, and it looks really, really professional. You can't tell that it's a green screen. They also have other options to add music, and that part was getting so boring, but they added 80, yes, 80 new background music tracks, and I'm so excited. As you can see, it's so many different ones, and that's so cool. But I guess I'm just gonna pick one so you can see how it all flows together. Press the little plus to add it into what you're editing. Go all the way to the back and it'll all just flow. And those are the new features on iMovie. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you give this video a like, you comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.